3 big reasons why having a business is a must in today's world. And it was the same reasons why, for me, having a job was not enough. Reason number 1, job security is a lie. In this fast-changing world, your job can disappear anytime. And this isn't just for jobs in small, unstable companies. This also happens in the biggest companies in the world. Look at IBM, Citi, HP, Volkswagen, Shell. At the same time, technology is making more and more jobs obsolete. Technology will replace drivers. Technology will replace BPOs and call centers. Technology will even replace highly paid professionals like doctors. Whether you're a blue-collar employee or a high-ranking professional, history has shown that you can lose your job anytime. Job security does not exist, and it actually never did. The only real security is having a business. The lesson here is, being employed is like having only one customer for your life. Having a business gives you the freedom to have thousands or even millions of customers. Reason number 2, the fixed salary is a trap. Many people like the stability of having a fixed monthly salary. But for me, it never made any sense. Nagtataas ang presyo ng mga bilihin, pero yung sahod, halos hindi naman gumagalaw. Yes, mayroong 5% annual increase, pero ang tuition fee naman, 10% ang increase. Talong-talo ka sa inflation. That's why many people opt to go out of the country to get higher paying jobs. And yes, that may be a solution, but is it sustainable? Our OFWs have it tough, even if yes, their salaries are a bit higher. But living alone, away from family, not seeing the kids? So yes, you get some sort of financial freedom, but at the cost of not seeing your kids grow up. The fixed salary is a trap, whether you're here in the Philippines or abroad. Reason number 3, today is the best time to start a business. In this day and age, there are so many different kinds of businesses available. There's franchises, outsourcing, freelancing, affiliate marketing. But aside from these, did you know that people are also making money from YouTube videos, Instagram sponsorships, even from drawing cats? Now, my last example might be crazy, and it is. But there's no denying that it is now easier and cheaper than ever to start your own business. No longer is starting a business only for the ultra-rich who can afford to put up millions in capital. Imagine, with the internet, you can now talk to anyone in the world, send files, and reach customers and suppliers from all over the world. In the past, all these would have cost a fortune. That's why there is no doubt that today is the best time to start a business because it's easier, faster, and cheaper than ever before. So these are the 3 big reasons why you must start a business. And if this makes sense for you, then congratulations because it means you truly have the desire to be an entrepreneur. Starting a business does not have to be risky. Let me repeat that. Starting a business does not have to be risky. Now, I don't know about you, but when I learned this, it was the total opposite of what I knew. All my life, I knew that business is high risk, high reward. Sa business, talagang kailangan mo mag-risk. Dapat may lakas ka ng loob na sumabak lang. There are even a few quotes saying that failure is a part of business. So be ready to fail. Like Henry C. Though he was known for being a risk taker, I learned that he spent 14 long years learning about his customers and his small shoe business in Quiapo before putting up his very first SM department store. When you think about it, he does not sound like a risk-taking, sabak lang na sabak entrepreneur, right? I also picked the brains of many entrepreneurs who already had successful businesses. There's only one difference between aspiring entrepreneurs and established entrepreneurs when it comes to risks. Both aspiring entrepreneurs and established entrepreneurs acknowledge that there is risk in business, and both aspiring and established entrepreneurs are afraid of risks. The difference lies in how they react to the risk. Aspiring entrepreneurs take on risk, but established entrepreneurs avoid risk. It's so important that I'll repeat it again. Aspiring entrepreneurs take on risk, but established entrepreneurs avoid risk. This is why business is not risky for established entrepreneurs. With aspiring entrepreneurs, we often hear the expressions na, sabak lang na sabak, laban kung laban, lakasan mo lang loob mo. Ganyan talaga ang buhay, dapat matibay ka. High risk, high reward. Kaya itayo mo na yung business mo, ngayon na. Baka maunahan ka pa. Kung kailangan itaya ang savings mo o umutang, gawin mo na. Fortune favors the brave. But with established entrepreneurs, no. We do not hear those expressions at all. The processes, the steps that established entrepreneurs follow are very different from aspiring entrepreneurs. Established entrepreneurs find ways to avoid risk when starting a business. They do not take on and fight risk. Let's recap everything. Here are the 5 things you should remember from watching this video. Write this down if you can because it's super important. Number 1, business is the only way for you to achieve financial freedom, time freedom, and personal freedom. Number 2, but today, not only is it nice to have a business, in fact, you must have a business because of 3 reasons. First, job security is a lie. Second, the fixed salary is a trap. And third, today is the best time to start a business. Number 3, starting a business does not have to be risky. Number 4, there is a world of difference between aspiring entrepreneurs and established entrepreneurs. And it's all about how they deal with risk. And number 5, aspiring entrepreneurs take on risk. That's why they fail. Established entrepreneurs avoid risks. That's why they succeed.